Best Clay Sculpting Tools Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular clay sculpting kits in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this set of sculpting tools so popular. Also in this video, you get to see how easy it is to use this set of tools to create amazing masterpieces. The one that made our list is the Arteza Pottery and Polymer Clay Tools. This set comes with 42 different carving tools, so you have all you need for molding clay, carving, smoothing, shaping, cleaning, and more. Each tool has a smooth wooden handle, making them comfortable to hold and easy to control. The stainless steel tips ensure they won't bend or break under pressure, allowing for smooth carving and precision, and these tools are built to last. Because of the wide range of tools in this kit, regardless if you are a beginner or a professional, you appreciate how comprehensive this set is. To check out the full specs of the Arteza pottery and polymer clay tools and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/clay sculpting tools. Here's a quick video demo of how easy it is to use these tools. So there you have it, the Arteza pottery and polymer clay tools. Considering its ease of use, how comprehensive this set is, and its overall functionality, we feel that this set of tools is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Arteza pottery and polymer clay tools, and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/clay sculpting tools. Alright, thank you for watching.